Your brain is the most powerful organ in your body. It creates your thoughts, controls your emotions, and shapes the person you become. But here's a secret that science has proven again and again. Your brain can stay young no matter your age. You just have to train it, feed it, and protect it. Today, you'll discover 16 daily habits that can keep your brain young forever. These habits are backed by neuroscience, used by successful people, and simple enough for anyone to start today. So, take a deep breath and let's begin this journey to a sharper, happier, and younger mind. Brain Habit 1. Learn something new every day. Your brain is like a muscle. It grows with use and weakens with neglect. Every time you learn something new, you build new neural connections. It could be a new word, a new recipe, a new app, or even a new dance move. Learning keeps your mind flexible and alert. One mini challenge. Learn one new thing every day. It doesn't have to be big, just something new. Because every little challenge keeps your brain young. Brain Habit 2. Meditate and breathe mindfully. Modern life is full of noise, notifications, stress, and distractions. Meditation is your brain's way of pressing the reset button. It lowers cortisol, improves focus, and increases gray matter, the area responsible for memory and decision-making. Try this. Sit still for 5 minutes a day. Focus only on your breathing. Let your thoughts pass like clouds in the sky. Your mind will thank you with peace and clarity. Brain Habit 3. Move your body. Exercise isn't just for your muscles, it's for your brain. When you move, your heart pumps more blood to your brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients. Studies show that physical activity increases brain volume and improves memory. Walk, dance, stretch, or cycle. Even 15 minutes of movement can wake up your neurons and boost your creativity. Brain Habit 4. Eat brain-boosting foods. Your brain consumes about 20% of the energy in your body, so it needs the right fuel. Feed it wisely. Putts. Eat more. Blueberries protect neurons from aging. Fatty fish boost memory with omega-3s. Walnuts and almonds support focus and mood. Dark chocolate increases blood flow and happiness hormones. Avoid junk food. It may taste good, but slowly dulls your brain's power. Brain Habit 2. Stay hydrated. Your brain cells need water to communicate. Even mild dehydration can cause tiredness, brain fog, and poor focus. Putts. Keep a water bottle with you and sip throughout the day. If you feel unfocused, don't reach for coffee first. Drink water. Brain Habit 7. Sleep deeply and regularly. During sleep, your brain repairs itself and removes toxins that build up during the day. This is when short-term memories are turned into long-term knowledge. Putts. Sleep tip. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. No screens 1 hour before sleep. Your brain loves consistency and rewards it with focus and energy. Brain Habit 7. Read every day. Reading is a workout for your imagination. It activates your visual and language centers, expands vocabulary, and stimulates new ideas. You don't have to read for hours. Even 10 pages a day is enough, because every book you read adds a new layer of intelligence to your mind. Brain Habit Putts. Play brain games. Puzzles, crosswords, or chess, they're not just entertainment. They train your problem-solving and decision-making skills. Challenge yourself. When you solve puzzles, your brain releases dopamine, the chemical of motivation and reward. Dart. Keep your brain playful. It loves to be challenged. Brain Habit 10. Reduce sugar and processed foods. Sugar gives you short bursts of energy, but it harms your focus and memory in the long run. Too much sugar can even shrink brain regions related to learning. Swap sugary snacks for fruits, nuts, and water. A clean diet means a clean mind. Brain habit 11. Get natural sunlight. Sunlight helps your brain produce serotonin, the happiness chemical. It also regulates your sleep and mood cycles. Putts. Go outside in the morning, take a walk, feel the sun on your skin. Even 10 minutes can lift your mood and recharge your brain. Brain habit 12. Listen to music. Music isn't just sound, it's medicine for the mind. It lights up multiple areas of your brain: memory, emotion, and creativity. Putts. Classical, lo-fi, jazz, or nature sounds. Find what relaxes you. Music therapy has been proven to slow down cognitive aging, so make it part of your daily routine. Brain habit 14. Try new things. Your brain loves novelty. It thrives when you explore a new route, a new hobby, a new taste. Traveling or simply changing your routine forces your brain to adapt, learn, and grow. When life feels repetitive, try something new. Even small changes matter. Brain habit 15. Practice gratitude. Gratitude rewires your brain for positivity. When you focus on what's good, your brain releases serotonin and dopamine. These are the same chemicals that antidepressants try to boost. Putts. Say thank you for something every morning. The more you appreciate, the stronger your happiness circuits become. Brain habit 16. Stop overthinking. Your mind can be your best friend or your worst enemy. Overthinking drains energy, creates anxiety, and blocks creativity. Learn to let go of what you cannot control. Take deep breaths. Remember, peace is not found in control, but in acceptance. Music. Conclusion. Your brain is like a garden. Every thought is a seed, and every habit is water and sunlight. If you care for it daily, it will stay alive, fresh, and forever young. Start with just one habit today, because the secret to lifelong mental youth is not perfection, it's consistency. Thank you for watching. If this inspired you, please like, share, and subscribe. Your journey to a sharper mind starts now.